back pain that radiates through your back and through your leg is asking for two things: movement and release. Here are 4 moves that will help you with your back pain. So the first move is cat-cow stretch. Hands on your thighs, and then gently get backwards. And then round your back forwards. Repeat it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could do this cat cow stretch. Good grass. Able to. 1, 2, 3, 10 times. The next one is your piriformis stretching. So your hands, your knee, right hand on your left knee, and then gently stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if it's too hard for you, unbalance, you can hold on right there, and then, and up. 8, 3, 4. That's 10 times. So the third exercise is gentle hamstring stretch. It's your hamstring, and that kind of the back pain radiates to this. So gently then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fourth one is a gentle torso twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you feel like keep going, do it for 50 times. So if your back pain is severe, please consult with your GP. B is for back pain, and this is for everyday back pain and stresses. This is A to Z of prevention. Follow us for the next leg.